Hello everyone, it's David from Automotive Press. You can see the Tundra Trailhunter behind me, which is a whole new nameplate that Toyota is introducing for ruggedness and special off-roading equipment. But which other Toyota models will adopt the Trailhunter name? That's a big question. So let me go around here and tell you my speculation or my viewpoint on what's going to happen with the Trailhunter nameplate. Now, before we go too far, keep in mind that Trailhunter name and the model is still a concept at this point, but Toyota has committed to bring in this new flagship lineup to its SUVs and trucks very soon, so it could be next year sometime. At this point, it is only shown in the Tundra format, but there are many other models that can adopt this flagship lineup called the Trailhunter, and that's what I want to talk about. Now, it is really focused on bringing extreme overlanding gear and equipment to the masses, something that's engineered by Toyota, approved by Toyota, and you can buy it directly off the factory. So this is something that's really cool and amazing, and something that we didn't expect to get from Toyota, and we are just so excited. So let's get back to the showroom floor and let me walk around and explain to you what Trailhunter is and my prediction as to which models will get this in the near future. So this is the Trailhunter version of the Tundra that Toyota showed off at the SEMA Auto Show, and you can tell it's got some really cool things that can be added to this model, because what they're trying to do is basically make this kind of like a Ford Bronco or Jeep Wrangler type of buying experience, where you can pick all kinds of off-road equipment and accessories and dress up as you want. It's supposedly the flagship of the Tundra in this case, and it will be equipped with all kinds of true off-road capable things. And these accessories have been specially engineered and built for this model by third-party suppliers, designed to make sure that everything works the way they're supposed to. So this is pretty interesting, a really big, bold Trailhunter logo right here, and that's been speculated for a long time because we know that name was trademarked a while back. But the big question is that we've already seen this one, the Tundra, but what other models do you think Toyota will introduce with the Trailhunter name? I'm going to take a bit of a guess and give you my opinion. If you have your own comments, please make some of those comments below. So obviously we're going to get the Tundra Trailhunter because they're already showing this, even though this is a prototype with the big wheels and actual KO2 off-road tires, and finally an actual tow hooks with a real metal bumpers. Those are really quite amazing departure for Toyota to go this far, because we didn't think they would do that. My guess is that when the new Tacoma comes out sometime next year, they will also bring the Trailhunter name to the Tacoma lineup. I don't think they will do it for this model here, because there's a new Tacoma coming up sometime next year. We don't know exactly when yet. My best guess is maybe to be introduced sometime April, May, maybe at the Chicago Auto Show, to be available for us later in the year for buying. So they're obviously not going to put the Trailhunter modification to this version of Tacoma because this is going away. But the new model, the all new Tacoma, should adopt that name. So in addition to all the models that we get right now, TRD Off-Road, TRD Sport, TRD Pro, I guess they will have Tacoma Trailhunter, and that'll be at the top of the line model, and it will adopt a similar idea to the Tundra Trailhunter with more rugged wheels, tires, also accessory for the bed, a little bit like what you're seeing here. Maybe this is a bit of a preview of what we can expect, and a lot more off-road capable suspension as well. And they will probably replace the bumpers just like they did with the Tundra Trailhunter right here, and replace it with an actual steel bumper with a full cage and maybe a winch, as well as tow hooks. Now Tacoma does already have a tow hooks for most of its models. I think this one, yeah, there is one underneath too. So they will have that. But so my guess is that while maybe when the new Tacoma first comes out, they might not offer the Trailhunter, but I'm 100% sure, from my perspective anyway, that they will slap on the Trailhunter name to the Tacoma lineup when the new model comes out. So maybe Tacoma will start off with a normal range of models and then move up to include the Trailhunter in the following year. So maybe in the 2024 calendar year, there will be a Tacoma Trailhunter following behind Tundra Trailhunter. So that'll be really exciting. There's also a Sequoia here, and obviously if they can do a Tundra Trailhunter, they can easily do Sequoia Trailhunter. So that's without a question. That's going to be really easy to do that, but not difficult to take over many of the outdoor / rugged accessory for the Tundra Trailhunter and bring it and make it available on the Sequoia as a Sequoia Trailhunter. So that's almost a given, right? They wouldn't just do it for Tundra and ignore the Sequoia. Although Sequoia has such a low sales in terms of volume, that maybe they will find it not necessary. So that's a little bit hard to say. Time will tell. But if they do decide to offer on the Sequoia, then it should happen very soon. I guess they'll introduce the Tundra Trailhunter first in the order, I guess. Then maybe Sequoia because it's the easiest one to retrofit following the Tundra. Then the Tacoma, when the new Tacoma comes out. Then the big question is the other models. So would the Forerunner get it, for example? As you guys know, I've been talking about the Forerunner for a while now, and I said that the 6th generation Forerunner appears to be delayed again. That's not a confirmed fact, but that's my speculation. And I think it's delayed by years, so instead of coming out next year sometime, it will likely come out the year after. So end of 2024 calendar year as a 2025 model year is my guess. And that means that's when you can expect a Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter. I think it's obvious that this Trailhunter name is going to become one of the very important nameplate for Toyota's trucks and SUVs. So it's only a matter of time when 4Runner gets it, but they will not put it on to this model. It wouldn't make sense to spend all that time engineering and developing accessories for this version, unless of course they decide to postpone further and keep the Forerunner even longer. I guess that's still possible, but everything I'm hearing in terms of what I'm hearing from Japan and stuff is that it will come out sometime in 2024 calendar year, maybe end of 2024 calendar year. So when the new Forerunner comes out, then in addition to, again, models like TRD Off-Road and TRD Sport and Limited, they should have not just the TRD Pro, but the Forerunner Trailhunter. So that'll be really cool. But I'm almost certain that they will not offer the Trailhunter on this existing model. So those are the ones that I think the Trailhunter name will be applied to. The Tundra, the Sequoia, the new Tacoma, and the new Forerunner. And it's going to be more rugged and much more capable than TRD Pro models because TRD Pro models are still pretty tame in terms of true off-road capability, whereas the Trailhunter has many accessories that many of you guys usually buy as an aftermarket things, but now offered from Toyota directly with their engineering and quality control behind. So it's probably one of the best news that we can ever get to be able to dress up our Tundras and Tacomas and maybe Forerunners down the road with true heavy-duty accessories for off-roading and be able to take this anywhere and not worry about something not fitting in, because all these would have been engineered specifically for that model. This Trailhunter Tundra looks amazing, super high. I don't remember the exact number of inches here, but these accessory makes it look a very unique Tundra. And even though I really like my Tundra TRD Pro, would I buy a Tundra Trailhunter if this becomes available soon? Maybe. The only problem is that I live in Vancouver where a tall truck like this won't fit into many parking lots Even if it's not an underground parking lot, just a normal building parking lot, it won't fit. So I probably won't be able to do that. But maybe the Tacoma Trailhunter will be cool to buy. Obviously, I'm a huge fan of 4Runner, as you know, so when the new generation 4Runner comes out and hopefully the Trailhunter name comes along with it, that will be the ultimate 4Runner to buy. What do you guys think of the speculation about Trailhunter? Are you guys excited about these new nameplate, new capability, and new thinking from Toyota? Because finally they're recognizing people that buy Wranglers and now Ford Broncos just love to dress up, and they'll spend a lot of money to get these cars, or trucks rather, to be truly capable. And instead of buyers using up this money for third parties, aftermarket suppliers, they can actually spend money directly with Toyota if they can offer the Trailhunter components, accessories. So that's really exciting. We don't know the full details yet about the Trailhunter models, but I'm sure that's coming. I was hoping to see something else with the Trailhunter name today, but unfortunately it's only the Tundra that we see. My best bet is that maybe in the Chicago Auto Show they might bring the new Tacoma because it's getting close, and then maybe another Trailhunter model, perhaps a Sequoia Trailhunter. So those are some of the trucks that are happening. I'm at the LA Auto Show. There's more interesting models here, such as this one here, really dressed up. Really well done here. It's called the Patriot Campers. Beautifully done. I guess there's a YouTube channel called the Patriot Games. Wow, this thing is pretty impressive. Ready to go anywhere. Looks cool. And then another one here, more Patriot Games model. These are not obviously for sale, but looks very well done. Oh, actually these are part of the concept SUV as well, so pretty cool. Look at that. It's got 6 wheels. Pretty amazing. I'm surprised Toyota did not do a press conference on these models. And then here's the FJ49. That's kind of cool. I'm actually trying to buy one from Asia, so wish me luck in trying to find this. This is really cool. It's called Land Cruiser FJ in the old days, and absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna sign off for now, guys. Let me know what you guys think of the Trailhunter name and what Toyota is trying to do for the future of trucks and SUVs. I'm super excited for what's coming ahead. Let me know in the comments below what else you want to see. I'm signing off for now.